Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda Reflex 250 Sport. This scooter is in beautiful shape, only 6,300 miles. Runs fantastic. 2 brand new tires, just serviced. Come on by and make your big scooter dreams come true for just $31.99. This thing is in really great shape. Disc brakes up front. Financing, probably not available on this one. Come on by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.